Confused about choosing between Aisensy and Wati for your WhatsApp business API needs? Let's break down these two popular platforms to help you decide which is the better fit for your business. First, Aisensy, known for its user-friendly interface. Aisensy excels at chatbot creation with its drag-and-drop builder, making it easy to automate conversations. Plus, their analytics dashboard provides insightful data on your campaign performance. Consider Aisensy if you prioritize ease of use and quick chatbot implementation. Now, let's look at Wati. Wati shines with its robust team collaboration features, allowing multiple agents to manage conversations efficiently. It also offers deeper integrations with other business tools, which is great if you're looking for a more connected ecosystem. Opt for Wati if you need advanced integration capabilities and team management tools. Pricing is another key differentiator. Aisensy generally offers more competitive pricing for smaller businesses, while Wati's pricing scales well for larger teams requiring advanced features. Be sure to compare the specific plans and features offered by each platform to find the best value for your requirements. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific business needs. If you value simple chatbot creation and competitive pricing, Aisensy might be the winner. If you need advanced team collaboration and robust integrations, Wati could be a better choice. Do your research and consider your priorities. Found this helpful? Hit that like button and subscribe for more comparisons. Let us know in the comments which platform you prefer and why. #ASC Inside vs WATI #WhatsApp API.